Oh, they're coming. You all right, buddy? I was going to walk up to you, but
It's all right, it's okay, no worries, sir.
Yeah.
Are you recording us yet?
Yeah.
Just so we're all aware, that's all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
No
Is that
problem.
Live or is it just for your own use?
So this is. I'm making a documentary on the hotel,
Right. Okay.
on the Bruce flagship hotel.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm making a documentary on that.
All right. Okay.
And that's it. This one is live at the moment. Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine. That's all right. Were you actually in the hotel itself?
Yeah, I went inside the hotel. Yeah.
Were you asked to leave by the staff?
Yeah, I'm outside now, aren't I?
Yeah.
I'm
just checking.
I won't go back in there now.
Right, okay.
Obviously, I'm outside, aren't I?
Obviously, staff phoned us because they were obviously a bit concerned because I think you were in and you were speaking to.
All right, guys. Things are about to spiral as the officers finally arrive. The auditor stands firm, camera rolling, ready to hold them accountable. The police move in calmly, but there's tension in every word. They're unsure what to make of him. This moment sets the tone for what's coming. A test of rights, authority, and pure composure under pressure.
They're kind of similar. Obviously, see, as a hotel like that, they have a right to ask anyone to leave.
And I left.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to ask for some of your details, sir, and we'll kind of leave it at that, okay?
Yeah, have I committed any crimes or anything?
Well, see, at this moment,
Yeah.
potentially.
Go
I
on
don't
then.
know. And
I haven't committed any crimes or anything. So if you want to check, because I'm a bit reluctant to give my details, to be honest with you. So I'd like to know under what grounds and what sections.
Well, I'm investigating possibly a report of a crime.
What crime is that you're reporting?
Well,
you're investigating?
There could be a section 38.
Section 30?
38 Criminal Justice Licence Scotland Act.
Yeah, okay.
Which would be causing fear and alarm.
Yeah,
okay.
Okay.
Now,
from a man?
Listen.
I've looked into this already before I've come, yeah?
Okay, that's fine.
Ultimately, the hotel itself is their dwelling address, that's where they live.
Yeah.
Sorry, just watch your back, you got lost when you did.
On you.
Yeah.
That's you there.
Okay. So I'll just explain something to you. This operates with a C1 licence.
Still on you.
Yeah.
It's after my aftershave, isn't it? Why can't it go after yours, lot?
Usually it does, right?
So I've checked already, so on the council register, it's issued with a C1 licence.
Now, watch closely. The conversation gets serious. The officer asks questions, trying to identify who he is and why he's filming. But instead of backing down, the auditor pushes back with confidence, asserting his right to document and investigate. The tension is subtle but sharp. You can sense the officer realizing this won't be a routine.
Yeah.
So that makes it publicly accessible, into communal areas. So I've only been in the communal areas.
But the staff can still ask you to
They can
leave.
ask me to leave and I've left.
That's fine.
And a person videoing in a publicly accessible area.
No issue with you videoing.
So then that there cannot be used as a thing to say that I'm causing alarm and distress, or any sort of.
You're saying you're trying to access where the canteen is, where the staff members work.
No, I wasn't. No, it's all open. So I was going to look at the food. It's all open. I never went into no private areas, no staff only areas, nothing of the sort. And it's all on video, and it's all on live stream, and that's it.
Do you have the video then that would obviously disprove any
Of course, if they've made any allegations against me.
Perfect. Could you show us then that?
Hold on, so what allegations have they made against me then?
Just said that you've obviously been walking around and tried to access the kitchen area.
So do you mind just showing us the video, sir, and we can kind of put this to bed?
No, 1 second, because that's not illegal. I'm in the canteen. Let's go up there quickly and I'll show you where I was. Because that's not right.
They don't want you back in the hotel.
Okay, I'm not going back in the hotel anyway.
Things heat up fast as the auditor starts quoting the law. He challenges every word, flipping the script and putting the officers on the defensive. You can see the control shift. He's calm, focused, and standing his ground. The police try to stay firm, but the conversation is slipping from their hands with every confident response.
But you need to ask them. You need to speak to them. I wasn't where they was cooking the food.
Right.
I was where they was dishing the food up. That's a publicly accessible area.
Yeah.
So if one of you want to go and check, I wasn't in the kitchen. I was not in no private area whatsoever. I think they've got their wires crossed. So I just want you to double check.
So
because if I turn this off and it deems to be a false allegation, then I will be expecting you, to make some sort of complaint about making a false allegation.
The CCTV is in the hotel, it's in the lobby, it's not in where that canteen would be. Obviously, if you've recorded yourself...
No, but you can ask them, can't you? Because I haven't been in the kitchen.
So, from speaking to staff members...
Yeah, go and speak to them then, and I'll just sit here and wait here, yeah? Well, they've said I was in the... I think you've got the wires crossed when they've said the kitchen area to where the canteen area is. That's what I'm trying to get at, yeah? I'm not, I'm not...
That's fine. Is there a particular reason you're reluctant to give any of your details? I'm curious on that. It's like, I'm not accusing you of anything at this moment. I'm just trying to sort all this out so everyone can go about their business peacefully. Right?
Yeah. It's because I don't believe I've done anything illegal, to warrant for me to give you my contact details, to be honest with you.
Right.
Unless I've committed any crimes, which I haven't, and I just think you've got it mixed up when they've said kitchen and canteen. They've just mixed it up. So
here's where it gets intense. The officer begins explaining potential offenses, but the auditor demands evidence, reminding them of their duty under Section 38. It's a chess match of legal language, each side waiting for the other to slip. The air is heavy with authority, but the camera doesn't lie. The balance of power is changing.
Would ask you to double check, before we go down the route of obviously stopping cameras, rewinding stuff, checking stuff, because I haven't been into no private areas. And if I do that and I stop the camera from rolling, then and we prove it to be a false allegation, then I would expect the police.
Well, it's not even so much a false allegation. It's like we're trying to establish what are the
but then I would.
circumstances.
It is a false allegation. Well, that's not a crime. That's not a crime.
But that's the best evidence for me to prove that no crime has been committed.
But that's not a crime, though, is it?
Your GoPro is still recording, so you can still record.
No, I need to keep it live. Sorry,
why would
the kids are going. I don't really want to get too many of the kids. I don't want to get too many of the kids, to be honest with you.
No. Listen, sir, I'm going to go back to speak to staff.
Yeah, I'll wait here. Not a problem,
Hang fire a couple of minutes, all right?
Okay.
Listen, we'll go back and speak to staff. I'm happy the fact that they've asked you to leave. If you've left, you can go about your daily business. Obviously, if this is what you're trying to do, I'd obviously just say be mindful, be very careful when you're entering.
Watch this part carefully. The tone starts to shift. The officers realize he's not just another protester. He knows his rights inside and out. They begin to de-escalate, trying to close things off quietly. The auditor stays composed, respectful, but firm. It's that calm confidence that makes this exchange so powerful on camera.
As soon as the staff come and ask you to leave, you need to leave, all right? Because ultimately people live there. Is classed essentially.
But I know the rules and the laws.
I get that, sort of, all right. So,
and before
ultimately, we just want everyone just to live peacefully. All right. So that's ultimately all we want. All right.
Okay, not a problem.
And that means everyone gets to go about their daily business without impacting on anyone else. All right.
Exactly.
Okay?
Nice to meet you, officer.
So,
what's your name and number?
You can have my shoulder number.
I can't read it, so I need you to tell me it.
For your TikTok live, is that what it's for?
No, I just need it.
Why do you need it?
Because I need it. I need to document all my encounters with the police, you see.
Yeah,
and
but then I need to document all my encounters with the public. Yeah, you won't give me your details.
But that's not in my policy to give you my... It's in
your policy. You can see my shoulder number. I don't have to physically say my shoulder number to you. It is right there for you.
All right, this is where it all wraps up. The officers admit there's no crime, no arrest, just misunderstanding. The auditor thanks them, but doesn't let go without asking for badge numbers. It's accountability to the very end. Every second shows the importance of standing your ground while staying within the law. A perfect finish to the encounter.
Okay, what's your name then? What's your name?
You don't need my name.
And where you stationed at?
All you need is my shoulder.
Where are you stationed at? Where are you stationed?
East Kilbride Police Office.
Okay. And yourself, sir?
Also East Kilbride Police Office. Likewise, it's there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay, you have a good day, yeah?
You have a good day and look after yourself. Stay
Bye-bye.
safe.
Yeah, you have a good day as well.
And that's it. The situation diffuses completely. The auditor walks away knowing his rights stood firm. His camera caught every second, and authority backed off when challenged with knowledge. It's a clean, confident end to a tense scene. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.